Hi everyone. In this very short video, I quickly want to highlight how Opstream is more than just a procurement orchestration platform, but how it can effectively help automate and standardize and streamline other back office processes as well that go way beyond just the procurement organization. So I navigated into my Opstream environment, and as a starting point here, I can select one of the many intake and approval workflows that are currently set up within my demo environment. Now, as Opstream, we are a zero code platform, effectively meaning that with a few simple clicks of the button, you can very easily navigate here to the editor function and effectively build out and configure your own workflow within a matter of minutes, really. And one of the workflows I would like to highlight here as part of this explanation is the legal question workflow, because we have found that not only can we bring direct value to our procurement and finance colleagues as part of this journey, but there are many workflows and processes within a legal organization that could benefit from some automation and streamlining as well. So for the sake of this example, I simply put up a workflow for everyone within your organization, for example, to submit a legal question. So I can simply navigate here to the legal question, and this is where my fully configurable and dynamic approval flow directly kicks in. And very similarly to how we can streamline and how we can configure any of your procurement intake workflows, we can do the very same here on the legal side as well. So one starting point, for example, could be for a request to be asked, well, what type of legal question do you actually have? For example, I would like to get an NDA signed with a third party. Then a follow-up question and additional conditionality here could, for example, be, well, did we already sign an NDA? And if so, yes, please upload a copy of that request, respective NDA. If not, then please find a copy of our NDA here. Or if you are requested to sign one, then please upload that draft copy in here for legal to review. And then based upon whichever answer provided by the respective submitter, by the respective colleague, you can simply be routed into a fully configurable and fully customizable approval flow as well. So in this particular case, for submitting an NDA, here we look at a very simple two-step process where initially the NDA needs to be reviewed and approved by my legal colleague, Linda. And once that happens, that automatically initiates a DocuSign to occur within, for example, your DocuSign or your Adobe Sign or any other e-signature instance as well. Same logic could apply for other legal questions to be submitted. So another example here could be for someone to select specifically that they have a HR question, which then triggers a subset of additional questions, such as which is the respective employee that we are talking about in this respective situation. Please describe the issue and attach any support documentation if need be. And then again, based upon these respective answers, a completely new approval flow and internal wizard will be initiated as well. And along those same lines, using very similar logic, we could also, for example, initiate vendor disputes or customer disputes or whatever that might be, depending on whatever type of legal request and legal tickets you would like to create and automate within your organization as well.